Are you afraid to move to plant-based eating because you think you'll be too restrictive and will limit all your food choices? Or do you think you'll be stuck eating only fruits and vegetables? Let me lay those fears to rest. Hi, I'm Anna with Plant Nourished. I help busy, health-conscious individuals transform their health through the power of plant-based foods. Although it is true that a plant-based diet avoids or minimizes animal-based food products, that's essentially where the restrictions end. Contrary to popular belief, a plant-based diet is not just fruits and vegetables. In fact, there's an endless array of different nutrient-rich and colorful plant-based foods in the plant-based world, not to mention different ways of cooking them and lots of different delicious plant-based dishes to try. For example, besides fruits and vegetables, other major categories in the plant-based diet include whole grains, legumes, mushrooms, nuts, and seeds. Just in whole grains, there are at least 8 different kinds of gluten-containing whole grains and at least 10 different kinds of gluten-free containing whole grains you can try. Commercially, there are about 20 different kinds of mushrooms being cultivated, 4 major types of lentils, and over 400 different kinds of dry beans that are grown all over the world. Even now, after nearly 5 years of plant-based eating, I'm still continually discovering new plant-based foods and horizons to explore. My current interests are in the world of whole grains and in fermenting plant-based foods for better gut health. I don't think I can ever say that I have finished exploring the whole plant-based world. So that's why you won't lose your food freedom on a plant-based diet. Don't see plant-based eating as going to a small kiddie pool. It's like taking a dip in a vast ocean. Click on the link above or below this video to grab your free copy of my Beginner's Quick Guide to Must-Know Plant-Based Basics. Or if on Instagram, click on the link in my bio. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more video tips to come.